Hello, my name is Christian Rauer and welcome to the second part of our industrial machinery demo. In the first part, I showed how we can connect a stream sheet to a sorting machine, and I show you just a short video here so you see what we've done so far. And now I would like to introduce some artificial intelligence to this demo. And to do this, we are using Snips AI, which is an on-premise voice recognition system. So if we want Snips to be our second input source, we need a new stream sheet, and we'll connect that to Snips. I already prepared a new stream sheet with some labels. Let's have a look at the Snips console. You can see that we're assigning pushers. That's the name of our new intent, and we have some slots like the number of the pusher and which part. And you can see that we did some training examples, and there would be like an example query would be push green bases with pusher 3. Since Snips supports MQTT, we can directly get the data from the MQTT broker from this topic. And that's the reason why we connected, or which actually this stream sheet is subscribing to this topic. And it will calculate every time a new message receives. Now we say, hey, Snips, assign blue covers on pusher 2. So we get the data, and first of all, before we actually get the slot data, we get the session ID, then we get the first slot, which is the part ID, and then we take the second slot. The second slot, that would be the pusher, the number of the pusher, that in this case, pusher number 2. And we need a lookup formula to get the ID from that part. So we look at lookup table here. We also allow nothing to be one of the values. And we also use a text formula to get the name of the pusher that we identified. Then we write a JSON output, simply key value pairs. And we need the session ID, and we write a text. And that would be a text saying, oh, I've assigned this and this part to this and this pusher. And then I need an MQTT formula, which publishes the result, the JSON payload, back to Snips so we can give an answer to our requests. So we have the topic. So that's basically it. And we also have to prepare our original stream sheet, make sure that the condition is set by using this formula, allowing it to recalculate the cell whenever a new value for this row arrives, and we simply then take the number of the pusher to get the right assignment. So if we want to see both stream sheets and the factory IO animation, I had to rearrange my windows just a little bit. Okay, now all I have to do is I have to issue the voice command. Just give me a quick chance to show you who I'm talking to. Actually, that's the Raspberry Pi, and it's having atop the microphone array, and the Snips software runs on the Raspberry Pi. So I would say, hey, Snips, assign green bases to pusher 1.
Okay, I have assigned green bases to pusher 1.
So I have to wait for a green base here, but eventually they will come on. Here it is. So, hey, Snips, assign green covers to pusher 2.
Okay, I have assigned green covers to pusher 2.
So that works too. Hey, Snips, assign blue bases to pusher 3.
Okay, I have assigned blue bases to pusher 3.
Hey, Snips, assign blue covers to pusher 4.
Okay, I have assigned blue covers to pusher 4.
So we can see that the system is running, and I can even switch off a picker. So, hey, Snips, assign nothing to pusher 1.
Okay, I have assigned nothing to pusher 1.
Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and hope to see you soon.